you looking for Victorville, California homes for sale? Well, you're in the right place. It doesn't matter if you're already living in Victorville, California, or if you're just thinking about moving to Victorville, California. Check out this Victorville, California virtual open house home tour. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Victorville, California real estate agent with Exp Realty. Okay, so we've seen the outside. Come on, let's go take a look at the inside. As you can see, huge kitchen, very large open floor plan, stainless steel appliances, easy access to the garage laundry room, formal living room, family room, fireplace, great floor plan.